Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Avia Jannah. Today I am to perform about use and abuse of Facebook. Okay, and then next you can share with me in your opinion. Okay, let's get started. Facebook is one of the greatest and the most wonderful invention of modern technology. It is the one of the greatest invention in our world, and you can use Facebook in your good side or in your bad side. If you want to use this Facebook in your good side, like you can learn about class like English or mathematics or science and physics, etc. And you can also learn about more information in the world in this social media. And then you can also learn about more information which you don't know. Okay, and then abuses of Facebook. What is the abuses of Facebook? Actually, it's a bad side of Facebook. If nowadays many young boys and girls are addicted to it, and they spend more time in it, and they use it in their study time, which is their valuable time in their life. But they don't understand this, and they are using Facebook in this time, and it's also a bad habit for them, and various crime are also addicted to it. Many young boys and girls also they don't go to school, and they don't go to private, and they are in this time they are using mobile phone. In this they are connected with social media like this Facebook. And if you want to use this Facebook a good side, if it's also helpful for us and in our environment also. But if a student use this Facebook in a bad side, they don't improve their life, they don't improve their career, and they don't do anything in their future life. That's why I think if a student use this Facebook in good side, like what I'm saying in this time, and what is the bad side of this Facebook, I already said that. That's why I think if a student use this Facebook their good side like this, and if they use this Facebook bad side, and they're also addicted to it, and then they don't create a new life in their future. That's why I think Facebook is bad or good. Also, choice also in this time. And what